out hiking at Brukner Nature Center. Never been here before. Ooh, a weird thing over here. I guess for putting on plays. Look at that. This is Allie. She's gonna be hiking with us today in her child monster. Her monster lane.
Lane, can you say hi? Say hi.
I'm a
Wadi.
I wonder how stable this is.
Okay, you stand right here. Do you hear me? If I have to fish you out of here, I'll be
Carter, be careful.
walk slow, please.
Oh, guy. How cute. He likes you.
He can hang out. That's fine.
Okay. Well, see, well, okay.
Goodbye.
Yeah, I wonder who lives in here. Let's go find out. Oh, hi, cutie. There's some big, fat hawks. Big eagle. Skunk in this one. Oh, he's really hidden in there. Here's a barred owl, a horned owl, coyote. And then there's this cabin. I wonder if we can just go in. 10 children in this house.
Come over.
5. Yeah.
That's a small house.
It smells really good in here. There's these herbs over here. It's a beautiful fireplace.
Hey, baby, can I take a picture over here? Can you sit right there for mommy or stand? The cellar door over here is blocked too.
Oh.
I see something furry and oh, it's a white squirrel. He's over here. You see him over there?
Yes. White squirrel. Spotted. Exclusive video. Little area for bats.
Are we allowed to walk over there? Sure.
Here's where the bats are. Maybe. Supposedly.
Which way do we need to go from here? Nothing on the bed. That's what I've gotten.
I want to go.
You want to go?
Yes. I want to go on a mountain.
You want to go down the mountain? Found this little bird nest, a sweet little soft guy. Some nice leaves in there. Smells like the ground. Can you imagine how fertile all the soil is? Lane, you know, I love you so much and I want you to have fun and explore, but please don't fall off a cliff. Mommy will feel really bad.
This trail goes on like this for a long time. There's
Can we get over there?
Yeah, we need to get over there.
I'm down.
Yeah, here it is. Oh! Do they have campfires in there?
Oh, there's mushrooms up there.
There's mushrooms?
Yeah, hang on, let me get a good picture of him real quick. Anini, look at me.
Let's see. Oh, that's really neat.
Here, stay right there, okay? Feel how soft it is.
Oh.
Ooh, there's a big root system over here. Big.
It's a big guy.
To scale.
You can get in there, go on.
In?
Yeah, get in there.
Oh, ew.
A nice dirt bath like a chinchilla. Go on. You gonna get in?
Yes.
Okay, you don't have to.
I want to know.
Just jump. One big jump. Good job.
I don't.
Okay, I'll come get you. The other side of the roots. Try to hop on. On the tree. Thumbnail.
This is beautiful. I think it's a fungus, but it looks like alien. It's not the weirdest thing you've ever seen.
It is. Look at these patterns. How pretty are those? I know there's some sort of parasite that makes those, but it looks like the little parasites or something crawl under these trees.
I want to fix it.
You can't touch it, but use a picture so we can show Daddy. How about that? That's wild.
could take this home.
That cute guy?
This here. Just use it for something. Lane, can you carry that?
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna carry the rest of the time.
Drive back and get him.
All right. That's okay. Ooh, these are weird. There's a lot of fungus and scaly stuff here.
I don't see an observation platform.
Oh, observation platform.
Lane, be careful, you'll fall in there.
This water is so nice and clear, it's hard to get on camera. So you can see so perfectly through it. We got lost and we ended up next to somebody's house somehow. And there's thorns all over our stuff. And now I have to try to find our way back. Now that there's a road here. We've now found ourselves in the middle of this field. We're cutting through. We're just a little lost, but we're just walking in the right direction. We've come across this area. Hopefully we can pass through it. I don't know how thick it is. We might have to walk all the way around it. Hopefully not. We're getting stuck. I have no idea what kind of field this is. Coming up though. This is a 2 or 3 feet high field of stuff. It's high. I don't know what we're gonna do. Working on this stuff. It's not too terrible. Kept getting prickly stuck in our hair. Shaved down over here.
By shaved, I mean mowed, you know.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's a spot that's crop circled.
Maybe we'll get
Oh,
the
yes.
back of the car.
An opening. An opening.
Can mommy carry a book bag? Yeah. If I carry this, you'll walk. Come on, buddy. My arms are done. I can't. I'll hold your hand.
I've never seen a more beautiful light in my life. I just hope that that's the, I'm pretty sure that's the place.
Watch, it's a different nature
We
center.
walked through people's fields, their yards. Oh my gosh, I think that's my car. We are pooped. We're done. This is, it's dark. We walked a big circle. And we have a child that will only walk if his mom carries him. Only.
You don't even understand.
We made it to my car, which is great, but you know what? There's no one here. And there's no one stopping us from checking out the animal thing again for the nocturnal animals. So let's see if the foxes and the lynx, but wait, what's it called? It's not a lynx.
Bobcat.
Bobcat. So there's a bobcat out here. There's a coyote.
Honey. Fluffy pup. Strutting around.
Allie and I agreed that if some of these animals, the nocturnal ones, are walking around when we couldn't see them before, it'd be worth it. Because we would have just, if it was sunrise, we would have just gotten our car and left. But maybe we'll see something good. The skunk is out. Hi, cutie.
Guy.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Look how sweet those little feetsies are. Let's see if the fox is out.
The fox would be out, I feel like.
All right, now the big reveal is the cat out.
It smells like cat food in here.
Oh well. So we finally just made it home. We're good.
Yeah. We are incredibly tired. Didn't know if we were gonna make it out.
We did. It feels really good to be back. It
Feels
sucks.
nice.
It sucks that the sun sets at 5:15 now or something, but
Yeah.
we know we made it back. Now we
Well,
can.
Yeah. Daylight savings time is a scam.